everyone, I'm Andrea. Welcome to Taipei Cycle Industry Series. In the previous episodes, we have introduced several major bicycle components makers in Taiwan. But today, I'm going to show you something different. Lightweight bicycles. Right now, we are standing at Oyama. This company was founded in 1988, has two factories for bicycle productions. One is in Tainan, Taiwan, the other is in Shanghai. Today, we are at the headquarter of Oyama in Tainan. As you can see, they produce a lot of different types of bicycles. We are glad to have Aaron with us. He's going to tell us more about the latest invention of Oyama. Hello, Aaron.
Hello.
So, is this the bike that you are going to show us today? It looks really small.
Yes, this is our new Efolding Bike for the Oyama series. Like you can see, it's a regular folding bike, but we have our latest E-system included.
Can you tell us more? What makes this bike so special?
Yes, so right now we all know we have our own mobile. Then you can use the application to connect with these E-systems and actually control this e-bike by yourself.
Wow, so in one word, you can control your bike only with your phone, right?
Yes, in order to decrease the complete bike weight, so we integrate the battery with the frame design here.
Oh.
So here is the battery that you have on-off switch here. So you can actually turn on your E-systems with only one click.
Just one click?
Yes, just one click.
Wow, that's really amazing. If you didn't tell, it's really hard to tell from the outlook that this is actually an e-bike.
You're right.
What else can you tell us about the bike?
Yeah, as you can see, so the weight itself is only 17 kilograms. So comparing with other regular bikes, it's almost the same weight as other folding bikes.
Later on, you are going to show us how to fold it, right?
Yes, we will. First, you lower the seat post. Second, you fold the paddle. And then you kick the kickstand. Adjust the angle of the handlebar. Open the folding stand here. Then the final step, you open the device here with the frame. Then you turn it. Then you can carry the bike.
Oyama also makes designs for co-brand bicycles. The one we are looking at is kids BMX bicycles, co-brand with bears, right, Aaron?
Yes, so you can see now this is the brand cooperation with bears, and in order to let the kids more easy to control the bikes, we have the mini grip here. So it compared with other regular bikes, it's much more smaller for kids. According to the bears experience, they are now designing the chain wheel system, the transmission system from right side to left side, in order to let kids, riders, has more space to do some special movement when they are riding. And we also make the transmission ratios a little bit lower compared with regular ones. So from 26 to 9 down to 23 to 8. So that is the several new features for this new kids BMX bike.
So this is for kids. So what is the weight of this bicycle?
Yeah, as you mentioned, this is also a fantastic point that we are going to mention. It's only under 6 kilograms.
Only under 6 kilograms?
Yes.
That's pretty light. So parents, if your kids started to ride bicycles, please pay attention to this one, this co-brand bicycle made by Oyama and with bears. So thank you, Aaron, for your time today. And it's really nice to let us know so many designs by Oyama. Thank you for your time.
It's our pleasure. Thank you.
And also, stay tuned with us if you are interested in more bicycle products videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channels as well. Most importantly, visit us and try these bicycles on your own on March 3rd to 6th, 2021 at Taipei Cycle Show. See you then. Bye.
Bye.